Well, hello, William Williams, Philippines. Hope everybody had a good weekend. I know I did. Astris. I don't know how you pronounce it, but I had fun while I was there. I can honestly say I don't float like I used to. Yeah. And I bought some slippers so I could wear them out there because they're rocky. Yeah. It was needless to say, when you're out there trying to float and you've got a good belly on you, and then you go and you put floatable or floating slippers on your feet. Yeah, might not have been the brightest idea. Of course, I wasn't floating that well without the slippers either, so it is what it is. Uh, but hey, I had fun, and I want to go back. I like that place. Uh, saw a couple of places. They, they were trying to charge a higher price than what really should have been. But yeah, if they were trying to rent that Filipino, they'd have probably wanted 3,000. Uh, trying to rent it to me for almost 200. um, yeah, not gonna happen. Yeah, but that's okay. 60 versus one of them was down about 147K, but still too high price for what they were offering. I got a better deal here. Uh, let's see. It was nice visit. I liked the market and I liked the area. The little jeep, or not the jeepneys, but the tricycles. They don't have as many jeepneys over there. I did see some, but not a lot. And yeah, the way home was on a uh, uh, van for hire. It was instead of having a bus and being uh, big giant bus, Greyhound kind of thing. This was one of those passenger vans, and I think they had 15 of us in there. Yeah, there was me, a woman, and then the driver in the front seat. So, but we made it here. We came across a more mountainous terrain. The bus took a longer route going all the way down around and back up to it, but the van was able to take a more direct route. But yeah, that guy's a good driver. Personally, I think it would have taken me an extra half hour because I'd have been going a lot slower. But yeah, when you look out your window and you can look at the side of the road and you can see down, and yeah, it's most of 1,000 feet down. Yeah, get your attention. Several times, 500 feet. That was bad enough, but One of those places looked like it was about 1,000 foot. Just my guesstimate. But yeah, I wouldn't want to be falling off that for sure. And they were doing some road construction and they had us drop down over and go across on a little dirt section that they were guiding traffic. You know, this way goes now, you go in a minute. Uh, Traffic director. They've got some interesting roads around here. But it did come in and get down and came to the uh, IT Park transit area. So, yay, I know where it's at now, and I know what I'm looking for if I want to go back. Uh, the ride is was 180 pesos, so $3.50 roughly. So yeah, uh, the bus that took the longer route was 155. So yeah, but it actually dropped me right off in front of the hotel, the resort there. So I ain't gonna say it's the greatest resort in the world because I know it ain't, but I enjoyed my visit there and had fun. And yeah, they cooked up some pork adobo and then some chicken something. Oh, two very good meals. Compliments to the chef. Of course, the fact that I ate pretty much a whole chicken. I didn't eat breakfast this morning. I was still full from last night. Didn't eat until I got back here. Then well, when I got back here, I took a ride over to and picked up my ACR card. Yeah, so got that now. Now I can start doing other things. It's a good thing. The ride there was 50 pesos. And then I caught a ride back over to the uh, here, and that was 100. So transportation costs weren't that much. Less than $20 for all my transport, and that's counting going to the market and back an extra time or two times. So yeah, those were only about 30 pesos, 25 pesos each way. So barely qualifies, but it is in there. I'll be getting all my stuff. I've got it marked off into a book, and I'll be getting all that added in. Oh, yeah. Uh, I'm a bit tired, even though all I did when I got home just before noon, I walked through the door, and I can tell you, I do not remember noon. Yeah, I was asleep by noon, and then woke up about 6. So, yay. And as you can probably see, it's about 7:41 right now. Uh, yeah, I had to eat what I brought back from the Calendaria. I brought some food home because I knew I wasn't going to feel like cooking tonight. It's okay. Oh, now I want to go back to sleep. uh, The I don't think I spent hotel, transportation, and everything else. Don't think I spent $100 this weekend. So yay! Uh, yeah, I had fun. Went out, stayed at a different place, and didn't burn through $100. Right around. I'll get the exact number. Have it for you tomorrow. Uh, yeah. Anyway, sorry. I hope you've had like I said, I hope your weekend was good and that your Monday morning was an easy one on you. Mondays can be real rough. Uh, it is what it is. It's one of the things I like about my schedule now. Monday is only Monday, and it's not really what is it anymore. Uh, I remember when I was working nights at the hotel. I'd go to work on Friday night. That was my Monday morning. So you want to mess up Friday night, turn it into Monday morning. But then what happens? Sunday night turns into Monday morning for real, and and you're having Monday again. Yeah, that's messed up. 2 Mondays in a week. Just ain't right. But that's okay. Because, like right now, today is actually Monday, and it was just another day. Uh, it was a weekend, and this is the end of it. Monday is the start of the work week, but I don't go to work, so it's not a work week. It's my retirement week, and yeah, this has got me more of a bug going on. I want to get out, go see things. There's so much more out there to see, and I barely scrape the surface here in Cebu, and I ain't even got to the other islands yet. So yeah, well, I was in on Luzon when I was in the Navy back in '82 and in '83, and I hit a little island up there somewhere near Cebu Bay, somewhere near there. I could probably point it out on a map, but I couldn't tell you the name of it. But I'm not even sure I could point it out on a map. Yeah, that's what 40 years will do for you. But anyway, I'm going to let this go because, well, I'm tired. I really want to go to sleep. And I can honestly say, yes, it was draining being out, but that's okay. I had fun with it. And isn't that what we're supposed to do is live life, have fun with it, enjoy living? Seems like a good idea to me. Anyway, William, Williams Philippines, like, comment, subscribe. Hey, do you, your choice. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and oh, yes, more food. Lots of food. Anyway, I'm Fish, and Fish is out. Later blessings. Bye bye.